Welcome to another edition of Cooking with your boy Mike. Alright, what we're about to try to cook today are these ribs right here. Bam! So what these are country style ribs, pork, shoulder, butt, country style ribs. See it? Bam! So what we're going to try to do is do a crock pot recipe with the ribs. And we're going to add Coca-Cola to it. Alright, so the first step I'm going to do, I'm going to take the ribs, do a little salt and pepper on both sides, but I'm using pink Himalayan salt and crushed black pepper salt. I mean, not salt, but crushed black pepper. Alright, so I'm going to put that on and I'll be right back. Before we go any further, I actually forgot a step. I meant that we have to clean the ribs first. So I got them in the container. And I'm going to clean them with some distilled white vinegar and some lemon juice, just to kind of get some of that blood and just any other stuff that might be on there, chemicals, get those off. So let me clean those and we'll be right back. Okay, I just finished cleaning the ribs with the vinegar and lemon juice, and I washed them off. I went ahead and sprinkled them, tossed them a little bit with the black pepper and the Himalayan pink salt. So my next step is about to put them in the crock pot and add the Coke. So I'm going to do 2 cups of just regular Coca-Cola. Alright, so let's go ahead and put these in. Alright, so have that in there. Go ahead and pour the Coke in. Alright, got my Coke in, got the ribs in. My crock pot is on high. Don't ask me how high, but it's real high. But not high enough, you know, just a little bit high. Alright, so go ahead and put the top on. And we're going to let this cook for about 8 to 10 hours, but I'm going to say 8, and then I'll come back with an update, show you what we got so far. So stay tuned. Alright, it's been 8 hours. Let's see how they look. They look really good. Our next step we're about to do is to take them out of the crock pot, transfer them into this pan, and cover them with barbecue sauce. I'm going to use Heinz barbecue sauce, Kansas City sweet and smoky style. Just enough to cover them. And we're going to put them in the oven at 375 for about maybe 15-20 minutes, or until the barbecue sauce starts to caramelize, and we'll take a look from there. Be right back. Alright, I put the barbecue sauce on them. Now we're about to transfer them to the oven. Alright, we're about to take the ribs out of the oven. See how they look. Came out pretty good. And there you have it. See you next episode.